Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Share crispy fried chicken with you today. Treat crispy water first, easy to operate. Contains 2 tablespoons of maltose, 4 tablespoons red vinegar, 4 tablespoons white vinegar, 4 tablespoons Chianti wine, 6 tablespoons water. Mix all. Maltose is very hard and difficult to stir. Steam it until dissolved. About 15 分钟 use of steaming is enough. In this time, clean the chicken. Cut off the chicken feet, insert and after the joint. Otherwise, after the chicken skin shrinks, it will not look good. Chicken feet can be used for soup. Remove the fat and debris from the chicken. Chicken fat can be used as a stir fry with vegetable, have great results. Cut a hole in the chicken breast. Hot oil can convect. Clean up. Set aside. Seasoning: 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon sand ginger powder, 1 teaspoon allspice powder. Mix well. Smear on the inside of the chicken. Wait for the maltose to dissolve, then you can blanch. Maltose has been dissolved. Mix well. Set aside. Stir. Directly use hot water in the pot. Do not put the whole chicken in hot water or it will dilute the seasoning. Support chicken in a slotted spoon. Drizzle hot water over the surface of the chicken. The color of the chicken skin turn white is enough. You should have this hook, right? You don't have a professional hookup, do you? Button it under the arm. It can be hung with 3 hooks. Easy to operate. While the chicken skin is not cold, drizzle with crispy water. Ham it up and let it dry. In dry weather, 2 to 3 hours is sufficient. May take 4 to 5 hours if the weather is wet. Chicken is dried. Took 4 hours. Possibly high humidity. Dry surface. Texture like paper. There are 3 steps to fry the chicken. The first step is to use oil at a suitable temperature to fix the crispy water on the surface. If the oil temperature is too low, the maltose will dissolve into the oil. If the oil temperature is too high, it will burn easily. About 150 degrees is fine. Fix crispy water on the chicken. The oil temperature is about 150 degrees. Turn to medium heat. Don't put a whole chicken in it. Drizzle the hot oil over the chicken skin. Turn to minimum fire. Put objects on the bottom, otherwise it is easy to burn the chicken. Fry the chicken breast side first. Remove the hook. Fry for about 25分钟 use on minimum heat. Because chicken breasts are thicker, fry the chicken breasts first. Fry for about 10分钟 use. Turn it over. Fry for about 25分钟 use on both sides. Hem it with a hook. Raise the oil temperature to 180 degrees. Turn to medium heat. Do not put a whole chicken in oil. Drizzle hot oil over the surface to make it golden brown. If you put a whole chicken in, the chicken will be overcooked. Do not fry too dark, because after cooling, the color will become darker. Let that for 5 minutes until the temperature drops. It is recommended to use a thicker and heavier knife. The finished product will be more beautiful. Cut off the neck and head. Place the neck in the center of the dish. Cut in the back. If you cut away the legs and wings first, it will roll around. Now break down the chicken legs and wings. Insert in the armpit. Cut at the joint. As cut in the film. Turn it over. Cut off the joint. Do the same on the other side. Cut off the chest. Parts have been disassembled. Cut the back into small pieces first, then place it on the edge of the dish. Discard the sternum. Chop the chicken breast into small pieces and place in the center. As cut in the film. Remove the bone. Discard the chicken bones. Eat the meat on the chicken bone. Split it into. Chicken thigh cut into small pieces. The other chicken leg is also cut in this way. Split the chicken wings in half. Today's crispy fried chicken is done. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.